Do y'all want to see how I season my chicken to go on the grill to jerk? Well, stick around with your girl. Right here I have a whole of chicken that I have cut in 4 pieces. Look on them. Them big and fat and clean and nice. Yes. All right. So we're gonna go in. Right here I have some jerk sauce. We're gonna go in with about 4 tablespoons. We can add more later if it's needed. Then I'm going to go in with my all-purpose. You have to still get the season a little bit of jazz up, even though you put the jerk sauce in there. All right. Now I'm also going to go in with a little bit of seasoned olive. Okay. I'm not putting a lot, guys. It might look like I'm putting a lot, but I'm not. Then you want to go in and hit it with a teaspoon of browning. This will help the chicken color-wise. Just a little bit. You don't want too much because you know, so the grill, I will do most of the browning, right? Scoop that off. And then I have some scallions over here. I'm gonna throw the scallion on top. Also have some dry thyme and some Scotch bonnet pepper that we're going to add to it. The jerk season that I use is a mild jerk season. So I'm just adding a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper to it. All right, then we're gonna use our onion and we're gonna rub this baby. We're gonna rub it up to make sure that all of the pieces of the chicken get seasoned. Come on, man, let's rub this real good. I'm gonna rub it. I also make some slits inside the chicken. I'm gonna just stuff some of the seasoning down in it. Stuff it down in it, yes. Put it up underneath the skin. Put the sauce, everything up underneath the skin. Now once you finish rubbing, if you feel that your chicken wants some more of that sauce, go ahead and add it, because when I put this down to marinate, I want it to be well marinated. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add another teaspoon of that jerk sauce. Make sure you get up underneath the skin. Rubbing it good. Alright guys, this is well seasoned. I'm going to go ahead and cover this and let it marinate for overnight. And then when it's time to put it on the grill, I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I just lit up my grill. Trust and believe it's fire under there. I can't wait for some of the coal to burn off so I can start my chicken, my jerk chicken. Yes, I cannot wait. So meanwhile that is going on, I'm gonna go ahead and just close it down and show y'all my little garden. All right, so this is my little garden. This is my baby right here. You see tomato? My little garden. And obviously it's about to rain, so we have to hurry and get this process finished. I got some jerk chicken on the grill here going. Yo, these are like seasoned to perfection. I seasoned these since last night, so you know the season is well soaked in the chicken. And y'all should smell what I'm smelling. No, don't cook it. I want to this off of the fire and eat it. My God. All right, we'll go ahead and close it down. And when it's time to flip the chicken, we'll come back. Alright, my kings and queen, here's the final look of my jerk chicken. When me say this sell off, me mean it sell off. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Yo, when me say juicy and nice, me mean juicy and nice. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy these with some bami. So I'll catch y'all later. Bye.